is going on, guys? I'm back with another video, and I'm walking into the shed right now, headed over here by the fishing poles right here. I'm gonna grab this one. Got that one. I need to put a lure on it because it fell off. So I'm probably gonna Texas rig a crawl. I'm gonna get me a Kraken crawl from Googing Squad. I'm gonna go ahead and just steal that hook off that worm, get a weight just like that, and I'll have to get me a bobber stopper put on it because the bobber stopper came off there. So I'm gonna get to that. All right, guys. So what we got here is a little Kraken crawl action Texas rig with a bobber stopper, and I want to say that's an 1/8 ounce. I'm not sure. I have no idea what my weights are. I just slap them on there. I got the GoPro today with chesty mount on it, and got lots of batteries and an extra SD card somewhere in here. So yeah, there's that. I'm gonna ride down on the Wheeler down in Jackson's. So let's get to it. Alrighty. We're at the pond here.
Yeah.
Fishing. Just got here.
I hope it got copyrighted.
What?
I hope that music gets copyrighted. But this is terrible. What is wrong with you? Actually. I ain't even got a fish yet. You know what's wrong. Oh, did you see that? See that?
Just got one. Didn't have the GoPro on. Daggone. Pretty sick one. Sick. Okay. On the, oh crap. On the chatterbait with the beaver thing on it. I'm thinking about putting a different trailer on.
Oh, I gotta fix this. Oh, that's way too loose.
Thought I had one. I had one there for a minute.
I bet you did.
Right whenever it hit the water. Oh! Oh, snap! It's still on! Holy crap!
He was just being a brat, wasn't he?
What the heck?
Yeah. He's thick. He's a beefcake. Hey! Don't throw the beefcake in the water.
Got another one with the GoPro off. Jeez. Number 3 for me. That's a better one.
Is the GoPro on now?
He choked it, yeah. There we go.
Do you watch and listen to the sound?
He choked it. Oh, that's the one that was bleeding that you hooked other
No.
earlier.
I hooked him in the mouth and he was... Where are you?
There's one.
And the camera's off, isn't it?
No, it's on. I just turned it on. That's a little dink. Frick. But that's a big one for my pond. This is a small one for this one. Oh! Rip. I was just dragging along the bottom and I got one.
Hey, are you ever gonna catch my chatterbait?
No, I'm catching freaking slabs.
That's good.
Right there. That's 5 to 1 right there. Oh! Nice. Hopping and then pulling in. Oh my god! Oh my god! You gotta be kidding me!
You got him in the foot!
Oh,
No, it's in the
jeez! You gotta be serious, man. Oh, I seen it and I poked my freaking rod down there. Oh my god! You gotta be serious!
2 up here. 2.
Good content game, boys. Okay, how do I flip it up on the dock?
Hang on, I gotta get my camera.
Oh my gosh. Oh, it just came off.
No!
Rip.
Content gone! We lost it. Update. Catch it again.
Well, I got that on video, man.
Yeah, you gotta give it to me. It's my phone.
That was awesome,
It
man.
was lit.
I can't believe it snapped at it because I stuck it down there.
Kind of sick that you didn't lose your.
And I just had my lure just like that, right on the tip. Stuck it down there, felt something tug. Freaking yeet it. Oh, that was crazy.
See if we can catch my trout.
Alright guys, so still at the pond here, but after catching that snapping turtle, I think I'm gonna quit for right now. Quit videoing at least. I caught 5 bass. Jackson's caught 1 bass.
2.
Hope you guys liked this video, and see you guys in the next video.